So my weekend job is to replace the smoke detectors. There are a total of 12 smoke detectors, so it's just a bit of labour, but should be easy. Yeah, there was a problem. Let me show you. So there is one of the smoke detectors. And it's a little hard to see, but the wall is not flat. It's made out of these slats. Now if I go to the other room, let me show you how it's done. So here's one I took down. This is where I found the problem. I'm just going to climb up a ladder. Have a good look. And you can see that the board has been very well machined out. It's been done very well. It's also been polyurethaned. And yes, now the big question is, does the new smoke detector fit? You can probably guess the answer. Okay, so here we have the old smoke detector and the new smoke detector. So this is the old one. And the base of this actually goes inside the lip of the smoke detector. The new smoke detector is actually the same size as the old smoke detector. The problem is that the base has this big lip on it. If I put two together, you can see that the lip is significantly larger. And as to the question of does it fit, the answer is a definite no. It has no hope of fitting. So, the question is, do we modify the wood surround, which looks like it's been done with a router. It's been polyurethaned, and it actually looks like it's been done really well. Do I go buy a new smoke detector, which then won't match the other 10 smoke detectors, or do I modify the plastic base? I think I'm going to modify the plastic base. So here I am in the garage. To do this, we're going to need a block of 6x4, some screws, and the milling machine. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is a single flute carbide bit. If I show you that, single flute. So it's basically a half moon shape. Instead of having a point in the middle, like a 2-flute drill bit, this has a single, you can see the cutting edge for a plunge is there, the cutting tip for a plunge is there, a slight angle, and then of course it's a milling bit, so the entire edge is a blade. So here we have the finished result, and it has made a perfect circle. If we compare this with the old smoke detector, it should be the exact size. As in, it should be exact to thousandths of an inch. Let's see if it fits. And there you have it. I'll climb up there. And here's the finished product. Go through to the other room. Done that one as well. Lit up green, looking good. Thanks for watching.